Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Lecture 3, Introduction, Evaluating a Cloud Migration Decision. Introduction, Evaluating a Cloud Migration Decision. Cloud migration, the process of moving data, applications, and other business elements to a cloud computing environment, is a significant decision for any organization. This shift can bring numerous benefits, such as increased scalability, cost savings, and enhanced performance. However, it also involves various challenges and risks that need careful evaluation. This introduction outlines the key considerations and steps involved in evaluating a cloud migration decision, providing a framework to help organizations make informed choices. Key considerations. 1. Business objectives alignment. Strategic goals. Ensure that the migration aligns with the company's long-term strategic goals. This includes improving agility, fostering innovation, and gaining a competitive edge. Cost-benefit analysis. Analyze the financial implications, including initial investment, ongoing operational costs, and potential savings. Consider both direct and indirect financial benefits, such as reduced downtime and improved productivity. 2. Technical feasibility. Current infrastructure assessment. Evaluate the existing infrastructure to determine its compatibility with cloud solutions. Identify legacy systems and applications that may need modification or replacement. Cloud readiness. Assess the readiness of current applications for the cloud environment. This includes evaluating software architecture, data formats, and security requirements. 3. Security and compliance. Data security. Ensure robust data security measures are in place to protect sensitive information in the cloud. This includes encryption, access controls, and regular security audits. Regulatory compliance. Verify that the chosen cloud solution meets all relevant regulatory and compliance requirements. This is particularly crucial for industries with strict data protection regulations, such as healthcare and finance. 4. Vendor evaluation. Service level agreements, SLAs. Review SLAs to ensure they meet the organization's performance, availability, and support needs. Vendor reliability. Assess the reliability and reputation of potential cloud service providers. Consider factors like market position, customer reviews, and financial stability. 5. Operational impact. Change management. Plan for the organizational changes that come with cloud migration. This includes training staff, updating processes, and managing resistance to change. Downtime and disruption. Evaluate the potential impact on business operations during the migration process. Develop a comprehensive plan to minimize downtime and disruption. 6. Performance and scalability. Performance metrics. Identify key performance metrics to monitor before, during, and after migration. This includes response times, throughput, and user satisfaction. Scalability requirements. Ensure that the cloud solution can scale to meet future business growth and demand spikes.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.